Hey guys, welcome. We are session on how can you optimize your WordPress blog post so that your blog gets ranked in Google SERPs. Yes. So before I dive in, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get future notification updates. Alright, so today in this session, first we will understand the practicals as well. Then along with the practicals, we'll also understand the theory part as well. Okay, so theory plus practical is equal to success. You might be wondering, so what is WordPress? I don't know what is WordPress, correct? Yes. So WordPress is a CMS platform. Okay, is the CMS platform. Yeah. So now, if you have to publish the WordPress blog post, so what you have to do is on WordPress.org. This is one way to do it if you're hosting a website, right? Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, so this is WordPress.org. In this case, if you are hosting the website on WordPress, you have to download WordPress. Okay, get the domain hosting, and then you can actually create a website in WordPress. Okay, so this is WordPress.org. Okay, what is WordPress.org? Right. Okay, if I open this website, WordPress.com. Okay, so you can build your website in WordPress here. So here in this, create a microsite on WordPress.com. Okay, here create your own website. Okay, so today we are going to take the example of the client website. Okay, so this is one of our clients, scaleupconsultants.com. Okay, so we'll understand that. First, let me open the password here. Yeah. So hold on for a second, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'll open drive.google.com. I'll open login credentials. So login is scale up. I get a password from the sheet. So this is the password. Control C. Go back to Control V. Yeah. Okay. Now we will understand the theory concepts here first. Okay. So first I have logged in here. Now, if at all you have to publish your blog post, then you have to do the optimization also. What is more important here is you have to do keyword research. Okay. So now you might be wondering why keyword research is important. Because if you identify relevant keywords with a decent search volume but low competition, this will actually help you to get right. So you have to aim for a mix of high intent and long tail keywords here, right? So let's do the practicals. First is keyword research. Okay, Open ads.google.com. In case you have any doubt in the meeting, please ask in the YouTube comments. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Open ads.google.com, then click on start now. Okay, just click on start now. Yeah. Click on your manager account. Okay, let's do that. Okay, then go to tools. In tools, click on planning. Okay, then keyword planner. Okay, yeah. Keyword planner. All right, so let's do that. Yeah. Now in keyword planner, you'll have two options: discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. Click on discover new keywords. Okay, just click here. Okay, so now open your blog post and check the title of the blog post. Okay, what is the blog post all about? The product owner, responsibilities and best practice. Correct? So what do you find the main keyword here is product owner here. Correct? Okay, right? Primary keyword is product owner. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, then click on get results. Now from this list we have to identify high intent keywords. See, basically when you are doing Google ads or when you're doing SEO, keyword research is very important, my dear friends, right? Because if you target the right keywords, then only you'll get good number of inbound leads, right? So how many keywords you could see here? 302 keywords here, correct? Yeah, so just be Okay, I download this file. I'll go back to my downloads folder. Yeah, I open this sheet. Yeah. Okay. First thing is you will identify those keyword which is having high search volume, low competition. So see, product owner, high search volume, low competition. Just do the filtration. Okay. Then we'll see some more relevant keywords here. So PSPO 1600 low competition, right? Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to identify those keywords which are of high intent, right? So we'll check the valuation of the keyword. Which keyword is having maximum price? See, Scrum Alliance product owner. Oh my god, this keyword is high intent. Now you might be wondering, sir, how this keyword is of high intent when the advertiser is willing to pay higher amount for this particular keyword. Definitely this keyword is of high intent, right? So Scrum Alliance product owner, high intent keyword. Okay, high intent keyword here. See, Scrum Alliance CSPO, it is volume is just 2110, but advertisers paying 591 rupees, 0.18 paisa, right? Control B. Scrum Alliance CSPO. Now we have done the keyword research. Okay, we have almost how many keywords here? 1, 2, 3, 4 keywords are enough for now. Okay, now what we will do is we'll open the blog post. Okay, now click on post and click on add new post. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on post. In the navigation menu, okay, so this is a post, then click on add new post. Click on add new post. Okay, so I'll do that over here. Click on add new post. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we are on the WordPress dashboard. So first thing is never copy the entire file from Word doc. Okay, copy this file in Notepad. Okay, copy this file in Notepad here. Okay, here it is. Yeah, Control C, copy the blog post, copy the blog title in here. title in your blog post. Okay, got it? Then you have to add a block. Now click on plus icon. Click on plus icon. Here you have to click on paragraph. Okay, click on paragraph. Alright, now what you have to do is copy this text first, Control C, okay, Control V. Alright, whenever you are actually publishing the blog post, right, first thing is you have to save it in a draft. Okay, whenever you are publishing the blog post, first thing is you have to save it in draft mode. Correct? Okay, so now first we will do the formatting. Okay, so maximizing, let's do the formatting of the content now. Let's do the formatting of the content first. Okay, so first thing is when you are doing formatting of the content, right, you have to always enter shift enter, so that you know it's seen in the proper paragraph spacing. You need to have white spacing in your content, right? Okay, yeah, see, I'll show you one live example here. One second. Okay, then do shift enter. Okay, Control V. Yeah, so again you save as draft. Enter, shift enter. Now I'll show you how this works basically. Let me give you a live example here first. Okay, first let me save this file. So I'll explain you in detail how this is done. Correct? Now I click on view icon. Now what you have to do is, now you have to click on view icon, right? Okay, so I'll do that over here. Click on view icon, then I click on preview in new tab. So now you will get to see how your post is being seen here, and then you have to do the formatting accordingly. Right, first we will do the formatting part, and then we will do the optimization. Right, see. Okay, so now you could see the difference. Where do you need this space, right? So now what I'll do is, before the managing the product backlog, like stakeholders, right? Stakeholders. Stakeholder feedback. Potential value to stakeholder managing the product backlog. Yeah. Shift enter. Okay, now go back here, then communicating vision and requirements. Let's do quickly. Okay, Control B. Okay, so again shift enter. Okay, again shift enter, then make decisions, shift enter, keep it in bold, okay, again shift enter. Alright, so now again save it in draft. So highlight this text, best practice for product owner. See here, you could see how this is seen now. Right, so okay, so you could see the difference, right? So now maximizing responsibility of the product owner, let's do that. Yeah, shift enter, okay. So now I'll go down, making decisions, best practices for the product owner. Yeah, correct. Shift enter, right, then shift enter, values, shift enter, keep it in bold, control B, control B, okay, then shift enter, shift enter. So what am I doing here is I'm just formatting the blog post, because till the time you will not format your blog post for SEO, definitely you will not be able to improve the user experience, right? Okay, so UI is very important, correct? Okay, shift enter, shift enter, shift enter, correct. Collaborate with stakeholders, shift enter. Okay, so I'm actually explaining you how you can publish your blog post in WordPress dashboard, right? So initially you might get errors, but with practice definitely you will achieve the perfection. Shift enter, yeah, benefits of having a product owner, shift enter, then again to follow the same practice. Okay, now after we format this blog post, right, we'll optimize the blog post, and I'll tell you how you can drive traffic to this particular post, right? Shift enter, okay, right. Formatting is important, my dear friends, because I'm explaining this to you right from scratch, right? Okay, this is a part of your content marketing. And, now after I publish this blog post, I will tell you how this is going to help you in your SEO, right? Okay, yeah, finally the formatting is done. Let's see if it is required for further optimization. Let's save it in the draft mode. Yeah, okay, yeah. So now again refresh this page. Okay, some white spacing are required here, so let's understand. first, second, third. Okay, communicating vision and requirement here. Let's do that. Yeah, shift enter. Okay, then you'll see making decisions, product value, making decisions here. Yeah, this session is going to be very detailed and very comprehensive. Okay, okay, yeah, so here it is. So stakeholder engagement, so we'll keep some text here as bold, control B, faster decision making, control B, okay, let's understand this, let's give this lack of direction, control B. See, you have to beautify your text, my dear friends. Till the time you will not beautify your text, user is not going to read your content, right? Control B, let's do this, decision making bottlenecks, control B. Okay, so this is done. Yeah, I think we have done all the formatting here. Okay, so we'll take one more, one last, shift enter, save draft, and then we'll go back to the theory part as well. Okay, yeah, refresh this page. See, now you could see the white spacing part, my dear friends. See, everything is done. Yeah, see, here it is, making decisions. Yeah, yeah, practice for product owner, be available, this is this. Okay, so what you could see here, right? So see, you now just have to adjust the white spacing, that's it, nothing else. Correct? Okay, clear? Okay, I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Yeah, now let's go back to the other part. Now after we discuss the keyword research, right, you have to optimize your title tag and meta description. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, your title tag has to be in 60 characters. Your meta description has to be in 160 characters. Okay, you have to integrate the primary keyword in your title and description. You have to integrate the CTA in the description. What is CTA? Called as call to action. Okay, So in this case, my dear friends, you have to craft a compelling title tag that includes your target keyword at the beginning and which accurately reflects your content, right? So this is a part of a content. You have to write meta description that will actually entice your users to click on a post. Now you can take help of AI on how to do this, right? Okay, so let's do that. Now let's use AI on how to craft catchy titles and descriptions, right? Okay, so what is the blog title here? Let's understand this. This is the blog title. Copy this here. Now open ChatGPT. Okay, open ChatGPT here. Write the prompt. Act as if you are an experienced SEO specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to write SEO optimize title and description for my blog post. Okay, so copy this blog post here. 1 second, guys. Copy this URL. Copy. Okay, copy this particular blog title here. I want you to integrate the CTA in the meta description as well. Right, SEO optimized title in 60 characters. Right, meta description in 160 characters. Right, just copy this prompt here, Control C, copy this prompt here. Okay, see what you can see here: product owner roles, key responsibility and best practices. So ChatGPT does the work for you, right? So then you have to rewrite it in your own words. Okay, so this is all about page title and meta description. All right, 1 second, guys. So first part we discussed about keyword research, then we discussed about formatting the blog post, and discussed about page title and meta description using ChatGPT. All right, now we'll move to the next pointer. Okay, then you have to optimize your post. Now what do you mean by optimizing your post? This is basically on-page optimization, right? You need to ensure that your content is well structured and informative. Okay, so this is all about structuring your content. You have to include your target keyword naturally throughout the post, but you have to avoid keyword stuffing. Okay, so your keyword has to be integrated naturally. So you can use subheadings like H2, H3 to break up your content and improve readability, right? So now we will structure the content here, right? Okay, yeah, so let's do that. See, where do we structure the content here? So this is already structured, correct? Embrace change, like for we can reduce one space here. Yeah, benefits of having a pet owner. Yeah, then effective prioritization. Okay, so click on save draft here. Alright, now going back, after you do your on-page optimization, now what is important here is you have to include the target keywords, correct? Now if at all I want to integrate my target keywords here, right? So how am I going to do it, right? Okay, so what am I going to do is I scroll up. Okay, here what do you see? Click on settings in the WordPress dashboard. Click on settings in the WordPress dashboard, right? Okay, so I click on settings here. Okay, so in settings you'll have two options, post and block. Blocks. Okay, click on post. Right, now once you scroll down you have to first select the category for your blog post. Select the category for your blog post. 1 second. Yeah, okay, so now here you'll see category, so click on search categories here. Okay, so select your category here, product owner here. Now in the tag section click on add new tag. Tag, right? So the keyword which we analyzed, right, from the keyword planner here, right? So let's see the keywords here. Okay, first keyword is product owner here. Control C. Okay, one is product owner, one is PSPO, copy this keyword here. Okay, one is Scrum Alliance product owner. Okay, and is Scrum Alliance CSPO. Copy all the keywords in the tag section. copy all the keywords in the tag section, right? Okay, now what you might be wondering, sir, my score is 66, right? So how can I improve my score from 66 to 80, 85, or even 90 as well, right? Okay, so let's work on improving your score as well. Let's improve the score for SEO headline analyzer, and this is all-in-one SEO plugin. So you need to install this plugin in your WordPress dashboard. All-in-one SEO plugin. Okay, now I scroll down here. First, what we'll do is we'll write the title and description here, correct? Now let's click on post title. Click on post title, right? So let's copy the title here. Copy this title, Control V. Okay, so this title is of 54 characters, right? So now you can see the score is improving. Yeah, right. Now let's enter the description. Let's enter the description as well. Copy, Control V. Okay, so you could see, excuse me, when you have written your page title and meta description, your score has improved, correct? Right? Okay, now scroll down. Now you have to enter the focus key phrase. One second, I'll write the instructions here first. Okay, enter the focus key phrase here. Now now you might be wondering, sir, how can I decide the focus key phrase, right? So ideally your focus key phrase has to be in relation to your blog title. So what is the main key phrase here? Okay, so product owner responsibilities, key responsibilities, okay, so something like that. So let's assume I write my focus key phrase as product owner. See, score has gone to 77 here. It is telling me your focus key phrase is SEO title. See, now score has gone to 82 here. Focus key phrase in meta description, focus key phrase length, focus key phrase in URL. So you have to practice this, my dear friends, right? Okay, so you can see the density. Focus key phrase density is as high as 3.46% as the key phrase appears 25 times. Okay, right? Got it? Clear? So again, save it in draft mode. All right, now let's go back to the important part. Now we discussed about optimizing your blog post, we discussed about images and multimedia. So in the later stage we can add the images and multimedias. So how we can do that, I'll show you some examples here, right? Okay, so here it is. If I scroll down here, okay, so we'll add images later. Okay, so here it is. Click on set featured image. From here you can add the featured image here. Add featured image in your blog post. In the featured image section, you can add featured image in the blog post, right? Okay, then scroll down. Okay, once you scroll down here, right, let's do that. Okay, so in the click on post banner image, click on post banner image. So once your images are ready, you can add the banner image. Then you have to click on banner image. And then you can add the image file here. Okay, clear? Alright, so any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Okay, yeah. Now we'll discuss about internal linking. Now you might be wondering, sir, what is internal linking? Internal linking means you can link your one page to another page within the same domain, right? So that's a part of internal linking. So basically in this particular scenario, what you have to do is you have to link to other relevant posts on your website. So why you should do internal linking? Basically because once you do internal linking, this will actually help the search engines understand the structure of your website. If you do proper internal linking, search engine will understand the structure of your website, which will actually help to improve the user engagement. Okay, so now we will try to find out how we can do the internal linking here. Okay, yep. Now to find a relevant page for doing internal linking, what is important here is, what is the topic of the blog? Product owner responsibilities and best practices, correct? Open Google in incognito mode. Okay, just open Google here for your information. Product owner, just enter product owner plus enter your website name. So that's keyword plus website name to find the relevant blog post, right? To do proper internal linking, go to google.com, enter keyword plus website name to find the relevant page for internal linking. Okay, so you have the page here. Okay, so let's say you have this page, professional Scrum product owner. Take this URL here. So what is the keyword? Scrum product owner. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we have the product owner. Okay, so highlight this text here, Control B, click on link here, Control V, select this text, and this is the internal linking which is done. Okay, got it? Clear? So this is internal linking here. Then after you publish, what you have to do is you have to promote your content. Okay, so we'll be publishing this blog post at the later stage. Then you have to share a blog post on social media and relevant online communities. This will actually help you to drive traffic, and as a result this can help you to improve your rankings. Then you have to submit a sitemap to Google Search Console. Okay, so I'll be showing you this in my later sessions, right? So what happens is anytime you create a new page and publish it, okay, again you have to resubmit your sitemap to Google Search Console, and once that's done you have to monitor and analyze. Okay, so then you can start tracking your website traffic and search ranking using tool like Google Search Console. So in that case, what you can do is you can analyze your content, how your content performs, and make your adjustment as needed. So I'll show you one last part before I conclude the session here. Okay, so I'll open Google Search Console here. Okay, so open Google Search Console. Okay, click on the first link. So you have to add a website in Google Search Console. Okay, so click on this link. Okay, then click on Start Now. Right, okay, click on Start Now. Okay, so you come to this particular page here, right? So for example, you click on say search results, performance search results, right? So you can see, okay, so for last 90 days you have 426 clicks, 51.5 impressions, average CTR is 0.8% here, right? So this is one of the client. From here you can see queries, pages, countries, right? So countries, from which country is getting traffic here. From India, major traffic is coming from India. You can see devices as well, you know, desktop devices 286, mobile devices 136, search appearance. So you get complete data, right? Okay, about your website here. Got it? I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Alright friends, so with this I end my today's session. Thank you so much for your valuable time. You have any questions, any doubts, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.